Hey everybody, this is Ryan Gottardo with Taylor Dodge. I am here with my buddy Justin, who just got himself into a 2012 Chevy Malibu. Seeing a sharp LTZ, fully loaded, low miles, awesome used car purchase for this dude. Serious upgrade from his Buick that was getting up there. He works down at our car wash, man, so he also takes care of all of your cars that you purchase. So come in and let him work on your vehicle. Shameless plug, right? He takes tips too. But seriously, man, it was a real pleasure, doing everything with you.
Thank you for working with me.
No problem, man. What was your experience like with us? Everything good? Meet your expectations?
Oh yeah, I mean, for the first dealership I've been to, words can't describe how well it went.
Awesome. Exceeded your expectations.
Exactly. So.
Very cool. Well, again, thank you so much for everything, for your business. Enjoy the ride.
I will.
Come see us at Taylor. Thanks, guys.
Okay.